Picture, you open your laptop, and in a blink, it's ready to go. That's the kind of speed we're talking about with a Chromebook. It's like having a personal assistant who's always one step ahead, ready before you even ask. Talking budget. Chromebooks are like finding a designer label at a thrift store price. You get all the essentials of a good laptop, but without that hefty price tag that often accompanies its more traditional counterparts. It's value and style, hand in hand. And let's not forget about the battery life. Chromebooks are like marathon runners. They just keep going and going. You can spend more time doing and less time charging, which is exactly what you need in a fast-paced world. In this video, we have listed down the top 5 best Chromebooks. For the full details and the best deals, make sure to click the links in the description box. Number 5, Acer Chromebook Spin 311, which I've got to say is my choice for the best convertible design. Let me tell you, this is like the Swiss Army knife of Chromebooks. It flips, it spins, and it's ready for whatever your day throws at it. First off, its 360-degree convertible modes are just show-off material. You can switch from a laptop to a tablet faster than you can say Spin 311. It's like having a gymnast at your desk, bending and flipping with grace. The responsive touchscreen makes swiping through tasks feel like a breeze. Now, let's talk about its build. It's sturdy yet lightweight, which is a rare combo, kind of like finding a unicorn in a haystack. You won't be calling it a workout to carry this around. Plus, its 11.6-inch HD display is like a window to a clearer world, albeit a bit compact. Battery life? Oh, it's a marathon runner. The Spin 311 just keeps going, giving you up to 10 hours of battery use. That's like binge watching your favorite series without a charger in sight. Performance-wise, it's equipped with an Intel Celeron processor, which handles your daily tasks without breaking a sweat. Sure, it's not the Usain Bolt of processors, but it gets you to the finish line without any hiccups. And a cherry on top, it's got this sweet array of connectivity options. USB-C, USB-A, and a micro slot. It's like being ready for an impromptu DJ session, no matter where you are. So in a nutshell, the Acer Chromebook Spin 311 isn't just a laptop. It's a versatile companion ready to twist and turn as you do. Number 4, Samsung Chromebook 4. And let me tell you, it's my pick for the best budget-friendly option. This is like finding a gourmet meal at a fast food price. It's almost too good to be true, but oh, it is. Let's break down what makes the Samsung Chromebook 4 a real gem. First off, it has a sleek design and minimalist. It's like the little black dress of Chromebooks, perfect for any occasion. The build quality feels solid, not what you'd expect at this price point. It's like finding a designer bag at a thrift store. Now, don't let its affordability fool you into thinking it's short on features. This little powerhouse comes equipped with an Intel Celeron N4000 processor, which is like having a reliable but economical engine under the hood. It handles your daily tasks with ease, although it's not the one you take for drag racing. The battery life is impressive too. It lasts longer than some relationships. You can easily squeeze out a full day's work without scrambling for a charger. And with its 11.6-inch display, you get crisp visuals that don't strain the eyes, perfect for those Netflix binges or endless scrolling sessions. Connectivity-wise, it's got everything you need: USB-C, USB-A, and a micro slot. It's like being ready for any tech curveball life throws at you. Plus, the lightweight design means it's ultra-portable. You can just slip it into your bag and be on the go. In short, the Samsung Chromebook 4 is like the trusty sidekick everyone needs: reliable, capable, and won't empty your wallet. Number 3, HP Chromebook 14 Na2126NAR, which I've dubbed the best for students. Now, this isn't just a Chromebook. It's like the academic superhero of laptops. Let's talk about why this is a student's dream. First up, the screen, a glorious 14-inch display that makes those late-night study sessions a little less dreary. It's like having a personal billboard for your Google Docs and educational videos. Under the hood, it's powered by an Intel Celeron N4000 processor. Sure, it's not the Usain Bolt of processors, but for browsing, streaming, and document work, it's like having a reliable study buddy that won't bail on you. And the battery life, it just keeps going, perfect for those marathon library sessions where outlets are as scarce as an easy A. Now, compared to the Acer Chromebook Spin 311, the HP doesn't do the acrobatic flips into tablet mode, but it does bring a larger screen to the table, which is a big plus for those lengthy research articles. And against the Samsung Chromebook 4, it steps up with a bigger display and a bit more power under the hood, making it a bit more suited for the multitasking student life. Connectivity is no joke either. With multiple ports including USB-C, you're ready for any peripheral challenge. It's like having the right adapter for every situation, from project presentations to charging your phone in a pinch. The HP Chromebook 14 and A226NR strikes a balance between functionality and budget, making it a no-brainer for students. It's like the reliable, smart friend in your study group who always has an extra pen. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments if this Chromebook could be your next study partner. Number 2, Lenovo 3i Chromebook, my pick for the best for everyday use. Now, this isn't just any Chromebook. It's like the reliable friend who's always there for you, whether you're binge watching, browsing, or blasting through emails. First things first, the Lenovo 3A is all about balancing performance with everyday practicality. It comes with an Intel Celeron processor that's like a steady, reliable workhorse. It won't win any races against the ASUS Chromebook CM014, but it'll keep you in the race, especially for day-to-day tasks. Now let's talk about its display. You've got a 14-inch HD screen that's like a window to your digital world, bright and clear enough for your daily Netflix therapy or Zoom marathons. And speaking of marathons, the battery life is pretty solid. It's like having a power bank built in, so you're not tethered to the nearest outlet. When it comes to design, it's more of a low-key design compared to the Acer Chromebook Spin 311. You won't find it doing any gymnastic flips, but what it lacks in acrobatics, it makes up for in a straightforward, sturdy design. It's the blue jeans of Chromebooks, simple, durable, and always in style. In terms of connectivity, Lenovo's got you covered with multiple ports, including USB-C and USB-A, making it a Swiss Army knife for your peripherals. And the keyboard, it's a comfortable typing experience, perfect for those of us who like to sound like a novelist furiously typing away. Compared to the Samsung Chromebook 4 and HP Chromebook 14 and A226NR, the Lenovo 3i Chromebook holds its own with a slightly larger screen and a balance of features suited for everyday use. It may not be the flashiest in the lineup, but it's the steady hand you want for your daily digital needs. Number 1, ASUS Chromebook CM14, my top pick for the best overall performance category. This isn't just a Chromebook, it's like the supercar of the Chromebook world. First up, let's talk horsepower, or in this case, processing power. The ASUS CM14 comes equipped with a beefy Intel Core processor. It's like having a V8 engine under the hood, ready to blaze through tasks at lightning speed. If Chromebooks had a drag race, this one would leave the others eating its digital dust. Then there's the display, a stunning 14-inch HD screen that makes everything look crisp and vibrant. Whether you're editing photos or just watching cat videos, we all do it. No judgment, the visuals are top-notch. It's like having a personal IMAX theater at your fingertips. Now compared to its peers, like the Acer Spin 311 and the Lenovo 3, the ASUS CM14 is like the older, cooler sibling. It might not flip and twirl like the Spin 311, but it packs a punch in performance. And while the Lenovo 3i is your reliable everyday buddy, the ASUS CM14 is the buddy who's always up for an adventure, no matter how demanding. The keyboard and trackpad are a dream too, responsive and comfortable. It's like your fingers are doing a happy dance on the keys. And the battery life? Solid. Not quite a forever and a day, but definitely all day and then some. In terms of ports, you've got a generous ports mix, including USB-C and HDMI. It's like being ready for any tech party. Bring your own Chromebook. So wrapping up, the ASUS Chromebook CM14 is the powerhouse of the group. For those of you looking for more than just the basics, who want that extra oomph, this is your match. All right, folks, that's a wrap on our list for the top 5 Chromebooks. If you got so far, you must have enjoyed watching this video. Like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments below which Chromebook caught your eyes. See you in the next video.